Hey truckers, give me a Hoya.
Oh yeah? Ang lago tayo magkano Atlanta don't make you want to die. Yeah, Atlanta makes you want to work.
Good morning mga choy, mga chay. Good morning internet, good morning viewers. Welcome. Today is March 6, Thursday. The year of the Lord 2025. Yeah, alam naman ninyo na 2025, di ba? Anyway, good morning sa lahat, sa mga viewers ngayon. Now, merong siguro sa mga nag-haul ng ganitong load, or hindi naman siya ganun kasi ka laki na load namin, but basta sumubra siya sa dimension dun sa trailer, that's considered as oversized load. Now, nag-change plan yung receiver ng load. Nag-change plan sila. Instead na direct kami doon sa kanilang site para i-unload or mag-staging kami doon sa kanilang site dito sa may Georgia, nag-change sila ng plan. Gusto nila yung staging dito sa isang area na napakalayo din sa kanila. So kasi sa daming truck na dumagsa ngayon, yung mga ganitong load, daming dumating doon. So gusto nila staging muna. Sino yung mga by numbers kasi to may mga serial number to mga load namin. Sino yung mauna, sino yung kasunod, ganun. Ngayon, yung area na yon na pupuntahan namin, like yung staging area, yung area is wala na sa route namin. Sabi nila dito sa Georgia, sabi ng opisina or yung permit na dito sa Georgia, allowed kami ng 5 miles doon sa original route namin, no? Sa ibang kasi sa ibang state 1.6 miles lang yung allowed na pwede kang lumabas sa yung permitted route. So example, ito yung highway nito, allowed ka lang ng 1.6 miles para refuel, shopping, shower, laundry. 1.6 miles sa ibang state. But dito sa Georgia, hindi ko pa naman nabasa yung anong talaga ng Georgia, yung permit lang yung ko na allowed daw ng 5 miles. So, unang tawag namin, pwede daw gamitin yung aming permit kasi allowed naman kami ng 5 miles. So, as a driver, kuninta namin yung permitted route na sinasabi, yung permitted route talaga namin papuntang customer doon sa lugar or yung sa kalsada na kung saan nila kami padadaanin hanggang doon sa staging area. So kuninta namin, it's around 19 kilometers, 9.7 something miles papunta sa staging area, labas doon sa aming permitted route. So sako, okay, ipalagay natin, sabihin ng customer, sabihin ng permit, okay, allowed kayo ng 5 miles, but sobra pa rin kami ng 4.7 miles, which is out of route kami. So bakit kailangan naming i-insist yung bigyan kami ng new permit, i-update or i-amend yung permit, i-amend ng bagong permit at idagdag yung ruta na kung saan mag-i-exit kami papuntang staging area? Bakit kailangan yon? Why? Just in case, guys, mga chuy, mga chay, just in case, palagay natin sa 5 miles, okay, pwede kayong mag-cover dyan sa 5 miles radius na yan. Pwede kayong tumakbo dahil yun ang allowed ng Georgia. Sumubra ka na sa 5 miles. Sumubra ka na dun sa 5 miles na sinasabi nila. Kasi 9.7 miles nga, di ba? Sumubra ka dun. Binangga ka. Sinabitan ka.
Dili dito mo agi sa 70 mark. Pag liko na to 20, mo diretso ra to sa diretso ta sa 6.
Copy that. So, paano pag binangga ka? Wala ka na dun sa radius. Wala kang dalang permit. Okay? Wala kang permit kahit sa cellphone, wala. Dahil nga sinabi na pwede ka naman sa 5 miles. So, sinong mananagot? Ikaw? Sila? Sino? Siyempre, ako driver, di ba? Ikaw yung nakakaalam. Now, kung ang situation is ayaw nilang pumayag,
Please drive to highlighted route.
pipilitin nila na, example lang sa inyong side, pipilitin sa inyo na, okay, takbo mo yan. Kahit wala ka na doon sa radius, make sure na merong letter or email from them, not only by call na nakakausap mo, kasi hindi mo pwedeng i-testify yung call na yan kasi hindi na ma-recovered yung call ninyo. Makikita lang doon ang kanilang time and date kung tumawag, but yung conversation hindi mo pwedeng i-testify sa police na nag-usap na kami ng aming dispatch na pwede at sila ang mananagot. Kailangan merong kang pinanghahawakan na sulat from them na okay, kaming bahala pag nahuli ka, kaming mananagot. At least merong kopya. Kung hindi ka bibigyan ng permit, kung hindi i-amend yung permit para doon sa ruta mo, kasi ba unfortunate staging area and then babalik ulit kami sa 285. Babalik, pupunta kami doon, then babalik ulit kami. Diba? Ganon. So kung hindi siya i-amend, hindi siya bibigyan ng bagong permit, and ikaw mananagot. Ikaw mananagot, nabangga ka, kahit hindi mo kasalanan, binangga ka, meron pa rin yung police dahil may police report yan. May na-aksidente, may na-injury. Kahit hindi mo kasalanan, titingnan at titingnan yung permit. Bakit ka nandito? Allowed ka ba nandito sa lugar? Okay? Kagaya nung naalala niyo yung pinull-over ako ng pulis nandito. So pinull-over ako ng pulis dito sa may anong lugar to? Lancaster, Ohio. Kanina pa pala siya nakasunod sa akin. Hindi ko siya makita dahil oversize. Then I don't know kung anong result, pero tinignan niya aking permit sa aking ruta. But everything is good. Nasinundan ko yung permit, head toward 22, turn left on 22. This is 22. So malalaman natin mamaya kung ano ang kanyang findings or I don't know, ticket. I don't know. Tiningnan niya ang permit, sinundan niya ako. Bakit dito dumadaan yung truck? So sinesundan niya ako 10 kilometers. Bakit siya dito dumadaan? Ngayon, pagkatigil ko, ang unang hinanap niya yung permit. Yung permit. Meron ka bang permit? Bakit ka nandito? Bakit dito ka dumaan? So tiningnan lahat. Sakto, nandito ako pinapadaan ng permit na approve ng kanilang local government or yung state or yung DOT. So yun ang purpose nun. Okay? Kailangan protektahan mo yung sarili mo. Protektahan mo na hindi ka nila ibabaliktad ng opisina. Okay? Kasi pwede silang maglinis ng kamay dahil walang katibayan, wala kang ebidensya na pumayag sila na diyan ka dumaan. So kailangan protektahan mo yung sarili mo bilang driver. Kailangan alam mo rin yung ginagawa mo, alam mo yung tama na out of route na ako dito, ba't dito ako dadaan? Anong purpose? Di ba? So kailangan i-advise mo dun sa opisina na kailangan ko ng permit, pinapadaan nyo ako dito, kailangan ko ng permit, i-amin nyo aking permit na dito nyo ako pinapadaan to cover your self. Yun yun. So ngayon binigyan kami ng permit, inamin ang aming permit na doon kami pinapadaan ngayon. So which is good. At least kampante kami na tatakbo papasok doon sa area na yun kahit hindi yun ang aming destination, but yun lang ang aming staging area para bukas na unloading sa College Park, Georgia. At least legal kaming papasok doon para walang problema. Anyway, hinihintay ko lang si Manoy matapos ng kanyang pre-trip, and then mag-start na kami sa aming journey ng in a few 71 kilometers. Ready ka na? Naglabasan na naman ang aking Christmas tree sa dashboard.
In 200 meters, turn right on Loves Way. Turn right on Loves Way, then take the second right.
Dito yun kagabi na sobrang traffic. Grabe ang traffic dito. Alam niyo, maling-mali yung pagka-design ng kanilang truck stop. Dapat pagpasok dito diretso sa, or kahit doon sa isang area, merong entrance ng truck para diretso sa fueling area. So ang nangyayari sa kanila, kailangan pa pumasok ang truck, umikot doon sa likod. Ang likod napakasikip, kaya nagkakabuhol-buhol. Yung last video ko, nagkakabuhol-buhol ang kanilang mga truck sa loob ng
Turn right
area
on
ng Loves.
I-75 South.
Dapat dito, pagpasok mo dyan, yun ang fuel area ng truck. Dapat binuksan nila to, kasi iikot pa dun sa likod. Tapos paghapon, grabe ng parking dyan sa parking sa gabi.
Continue on I-75.
Ano yun, nagsa-sound tripping siguro to.
Continue on I-75.
Yeah, 7 lanes. Pero kulang pa rin yung lane nila sa sobrang daming sasakyan, no? Guys, stay lang tayo dito sa ano, stay lang tayo dito sa ating lane.
Ah, 10-4, so appreciate it.
Oh, stagnant mga trucks. We have the prime, we have the oversized load, we have the Q line, mid-state trucking life.
No, itong isa.
Ah, nalibang siya.
That's right.
So, gataod sa yung pantalon, no?
Do a flatbed, step back, anything like that. Ain't no half-assing it. You gotta make sure that shit is secured. I know that's right. You better get down on his knees and pray to God, be real thankful that thing ain't come off and kill something. Yeah, he was getting his ass fluffed on in jail. Come on. That's right. He'd still be crying right now. Yeah, they're spanking him right now. That shit's back up. That's one. I'll be up. That business get a leg. Come on.
No, ginimpress ka lang sa bukaton.
Mauna yan sila, magagaya yan dun sa ano, dun sa Pilipinas na bar down ng bridge.
Which lanes are blocked here on that bypass here in Atlanta? What they said was no lanes blocked. Flatbed lost the concrete slab down there around Martin Luther King, south of 20. And they're down there on the shoulder trying to get it back on another trailer now. Probably mostly rubberneckers. And right around in here before you get to 20, that far right lane goes exit only. They lose their damn minds right through here anyway. But passenger, somebody needs to see somebody strap it down. He wouldn't lost. Right lane, been trashing it. Beautiful.
Hey truckers, give me a Hoya.
Oh yeah?
Give me a Hoya. Kailangan natin libangin ang ating sarili sa traffic.
Atlanta don't make you want to dog shit. Atlanta make you want to work.
Suko ang mga kamba, driver. Suko ng mga driver para ising sa mukha niya.
Come on, man, there's some cookies while you're there. She got them. Come on, man, and cookies, brother. Yeah, let go. One time, come in.
Grabe, may kanay traffic dire bay sa Atlanta bay. Hindi na akong balik direct.
Okay na yan. Ako po di akong balik-balik. Yeah, we get out around 20 of this. If you have to follow, hey, go to Tarlac, 3 miles.
3 miles, 3 miles.
Talikot.
Kaya kukubiran kita sa likod saglit lang.
Balik pa, 2.8 pa. Sige lang, dali na ta.
Okay, kape. Ikaw, unsa may buhaton nimo pag inani ang situation niya, kalibangon na kay ka, natatay ka na.
Sukal na.
Susuka mo? Eh, murag ko na, murag science yan na, reverse osmosis yan na.
Wala talaga, oh. Ganito talaga, oh. Libang ka talaga dun sa buwan. Trust kan ba?
Upo ko na dyan sa gitna, tapos sabay, poo!
Alagad, magagawas lang isa kagwan. Isa kapos.
Oh, makagawas daw sa kapos, diba? Okay na, diba?
Oh.
Wala ilo-ilo, diretso na suot, nag-brief.
Eh, ilo po siguro eh.
Nakay with tissue.
Oh.
Okay na, okay kayo kung may nakay with tissue, okay kayo pagka, pum! Unas na yun.
Punas doon para maalag mabuhot ka.
Ay, labay na sa gilid, oh. Ipustarin mo niyan. Tapon mo dyan sa gilid, oh.
Lego ka man?
Wala pa. Okay, kanan ko, ah. Okay, pasok.
Alis po sa unahan man.
Yeah, I think yung sinasabi nila na nahulog na mga load. Birmingham 20 West. Dito ang traffic din eh, yung papuntang Birmingham, yung 20.
Mulai traffic ini tadi.
Kikita ko yung pulis sa reflection ng mga pintura ng truck.
Sa mga 200 meters.
Yan ang reflection nyo. Kikita mo dyan na may pulis dito dahil yung kintab ng reflection ng trailer tsaka truck, yung lights niya kikintab. There you go. Nahulog
Take
yung
exit
load niya.
10B on the right to I-20 West.
Transit. Right.
Grabing traffic. Grabe talaga yung traffic all the way there.
Na!
Diyos mio, Marimar.
Traffic.
Grabe, ilang kilometro to. Pati yung exit pala doon, no? Yung magme-merge.
Kaya tamagi yung mama to.
Yeah, pabalik.
Oh.
Kita nyo yung traffic, guys. All the way there. Galing doon sa pagpasok ng Atlanta. Look. Look at that. Welcome to Atlanta, mga people. Mga chuy, mga chuy. Hindi pa yan rush hour, ha?
Continue for 5 kilometers.
Kailangan daw matulog sa one sa Pikas Lane. Tuloy, Mike.
Gabi-gabi. Delikado to, no? Eh, pag kurbada ba niya na ano? Traffic light?
Makalagyan.
Take the next right onto North River Road. Continue on North River Road for 1 kilometer.
Ito yung aming staging area. Hindi pa kami i-unload dito. Pero sana, dito na lang, no? But, staging area lang to. Babalik pa ulit kami, lalabas kami bukas, papunta sa College Park.
Oh, no truck route nga. Naamay mga dagkong establishment na rin.
Mo gani, nakalagay no truck route, pero yan, ang gordo, no, nandito, oh.
Na, napag-oversize ko pa bago.
Saan siya na? Stagnant ya?
Nyonong mana sa dia?
Dili, clear sa taas na. Sige na.
Kalau dah.
Laki oh.
Tidak. Sige. Sige. Ano ba rin ka
I'm at your 6 nga, sabi ko sa'yo, di ba?
Kami mawira eh.
Kurat kayo, bunal, Choy.
In 300 meters, turn left.
Punta direct.
Kaya pasok tayo dyan.
Take the next left, then you will arrive at your destination.
We build for a better society.
You have arrived.
Tuwa.
Bantay kang bata ka.
Nara ang mga truck oh. Staging area. Agay, alanganin kayo. Yeah, atras kasi baka atras yung aking sasakyan.
How you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Brother, your name and your phone number?
Say again?
Your name and phone number?
Marco,
Phone number?
204.
Is that one for ATL06?
Say again?
Is it for the ATL06 site?
I'm not sure. This is going to College Park, but we have to... Okay,
Put over there to the right.
to the right. Pasok Noy. Lahat ng mga product na yan, nakikita ninyo, lahat ng mga nakikita ninyo, made from Canada. Para ang kanilang Microsoft, ang kanilang Amazon dito sa Amerika gagana dito sa Silent Air. Ito yung calling system ng kanilang software. Lahat yan made in Canada. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang dami guys, ang dami namin. Hindi lang isa, napakaraming order. Lahat ng Amazon, Microsoft and Google, lahat ng calling system is made in Canada. Alright? Walang ibang gumagawa. Only Canada ang gumagawa. Only in Canada. 5, 6, 7. Dami pala. Oh, may isang queue line dun.
Mark, ano tayo plano ni? O, abante pa ko?
Abantay pa gamay para makasulod ko sa imong likod. Dari na lang kumutapad sa kablo sa left side niya. Right side pala. Queue line. Hey! What's up? You made
Good to
it.
see you. Hey.
I see you. You nose in there, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
I was sitting there waiting.
You're so lucky that the
Oh.
car carrier get out.
Yeah, I sat there and waited, and there was a pickup backing out. Was it a trailer?
Yeah.
A gooseneck trailer? I figured I'm going to take that one. Just as he's backing out, the car holder's backing out. I was like, oh, that's better. So this
You're-
morning.
You're gonna unload here? No, Collins Park.
too?
Yeah.
Hello.
When?
Tomorrow.
Too.
Huh?
Me too.
You just arrived now?
Yeah, I've maybe been here.
Where did you
45
sleep
minutes.
last night?
Jasper, Tennessee. At the Loves.
Really?
That's
Tennessee?
where I always stay. Jasper there, you know?
Yeah.
158. I always stay there.
Oh.
I don't like these between Atlanta and Tennessee.
Yeah, it's so
you know?
crowded.
I know. So I stay there, and then I leave there once rush hour is over in the morning.
Oh, nice.
I always.
Yeah, last
usually
night
where I'm always
it's
there.
a fuck there in Loves.
Oh, were you between?
Before Atlanta, yeah. It's so tight, so small.
There's so many trucks, like it just
Yeah.
backs right up. I mean, that one there fills up too, but I was there already at 4 o'clock.
So we're only 3 queue lines here right now.
That
There's-
one is a queue line too.
Owner
The
up.
red one. Yeah, owner off. Yeah.
But the company driver, I mean, on
Company
3 of us,
driver,
right?
So is he for tomorrow too?
Yeah.
Have you talked to Bruce,
Who's Bruce?
the guy we call?
He talked to yesterday. We're planning to stay there in Loves today until tomorrow, because we're gonna do the reset so we have a reload. You have a reload already? Then we're gonna go straight to College Park. No, you go there to the staging area because there's lots of tracks. So I don't know what's the setup. It should be the by serial number or what?
That I don't know. I haven't been able to talk to no one.
Oh
yet,
fuck.
so-
Yeah.
And I want to unhook pretty soon. Then
Why?
I want to go to the Quick Trip
Why?
because park there. We can't park here for night.
Oh really? So we're gonna leave the trailer here?
And we can't stay here.
I know for yeah. There's no washroom. Yeah, we're gonna unload. We're gonna unhook and then we're gonna drive to Walmart.
Okay.
We're gonna do shopping. They're starting right. Noi. Oh, we can sleep here tonight, right? So we're gonna unhook the truck and sleep in Quick Trip.
We can't sleep here? Can we stay here for the night or what?
No.
The trailer, yeah, but not the truck.
Or we're gonna, it's full over there.
We're gonna sleep anywhere.
Somewhere else?
Walmart.
Walmart?
Well, if we go now soon, we'll have room at Quick Trip.
No. It's full of pack there.
That's
There's like how many of us there?
why I want to go before everybody else does.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I first want to talk to someone about that we're here.
Go. What are you doing? Pretty packed there last night?
Oh man, it was full. I just sat there and waited. I figured somebody's got to move at some point because it's not done for the night yet. Yeah.
I thought that somebody talked to you and hey, move out. It's a no parking area.
I figured I've seen trucks parked there before,
Oh.
but only later on at night because it's so full. They have to park somewhere.
That's my first time in Marco, and I said, I think we're fucked up here.
I saw where you guys parked, but that was good too.
Because if you don't get any parking there, we're gonna go back. We're gonna be
Go back north.
yeah. Maybe somewhere in Pilot.
2 or 3 miles north, there's a little truck stop on the east side, sorry, west side. And you have to pay for parking there.
Oh,
But I've come in there at 10 o'clock at night before, or 9 o'clock at night, and I had to pay $15 to park, but they had room.
Is this yours?
that one.
Oh.
Company driver.
Oh, okay.
North Wing. Where is that? Edmonton.
Oh, if I could park there.
Next week.
Same thing.
So how's the setup? How we will know that we're gonna go there? Or...
I called Bruce that I'm here,
Yeah.
and he said he would call me when he wants me.
Huh?
I was supposed to stage yesterday and unload today,
Yeah.
but I couldn't make it around Atlanta on time. Got a little late.
He
there.
told me you have a reload today, right?
No, well, first of all I did, but he changed it. I'm going
Okay.
to East Moline to pick up a combine for Monday. So I got today, tomorrow, whenever. I'm not in a hurry now.
Yeah, that's a good load, though. No?
Yeah.
Big one. 740.
Mo mo siguro nakulod sa dito.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's heavy.
You gonna reload, Marco?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Moline. You?
Me too.
Combine?
Yeah.
Oh.
Everybody getting combines now.
We have to bring all the combines to Canada. I think they're gonna close, right? I heard they're gonna close and put the production in Mexico.
Okay. That could be because Trump threatened them.
Yeah.
John Deere wanted to move more to Mexico, and he said, no, you don't want to do
What
that.
will happen now to the Canadians?
I don't know
What will
yet.
happen?
Huh?
I will move to the U.S.
Move to the US.
I would like to. I actually had planned. I had a house for sale. I was going to.
Oh.
And the market
You're
went
from
down. From Manitoba.
where?
Morton.
Morden?
You
Oh.
I haven't talked to them yet.
Yeah,
I haven't
same
met them.
company.
Yeah.
You know Jake and John. There. Jake and John. John, unified guys.
Okay. The twins?
So you're not unified?
Yeah.
You're not unified?
Yeah.
Oh, you're unified. Oh, okay.
I didn't know who was there. I knew there was a couple of guys there that I don't really want to meet. So I figured I don't want to go find out who that all is. I don't know, when I was at...
So we're gonna unhook the truck?
Right away, I got...
Part ng tarong kinana ko.
Saan? Dito? Atras mo? Yung ano? Kasi murag simento dito eh. Ha? Tara.
Do that over here, but that is a bit of a challenge.
Noy! Murag bawal pa siguro, murag ilaha lang. Mga chuy, mga chay. So iiwanan namin ang trailer dito. Ito yung staging area namin. Pero malayo pa kami dun sa aming destination. Ito lang yung staging area. I don't know bakit dito nila pinapatigil ang mga trucks, mga load. Pero hindi kami pwedeng mag-overnight dito. Ida-drop lang namin tong aming trailer, then babalik kami bukas. Then para sa hook up, then we don't know kung paano ang situation, kung sinong tatawagin, kung tatawag ba para pupunta doon. Hindi namin alam. So mamaya we'll try to find out everything para ay nako. Anyway, drop i-unhook namin trailer, din pupunta kami ng Walmart ni Manoy, maggala-gala muna dahil boring dito ngayon. Wala kaming gagawin dahil nothing to explore. Fresh yung lupa, putik. So anong gagawin namin doon kundi maggala na lang. Anyway, abangan niyo ang aming next na vlog. And yun yung pagpunta namin ng Walmart today. Daghang salamat sa pag-uban sa akong biyahe, pag-amping mo tanan, and happy birthday sa mga nagbe-birthday this month, March. May mga birth month today. And shout out din sa wife ni Robert Ralios, magbe-birthday yata. I hope na itong month na ito, 21, or last month yung kanyang birthday. But yeah. So daghang salamat guys, pag-amping mo, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.